Hi and welcome to the Python Complete course. In previous video we have learned about introduction of Python, and we have learned some more topics like available jobs for Python developer and many more topics that we have learned. If you didn't watch that video, the link is at description. You can watch that video as well. So in this video we are going to talk about installation of a Python on operating system. We are also going to talk about the IDE that we are going to select for this course. So before jumping out to the main point, make sure to subscribe this channel. It will motivate us for creating more useful content. So let's get started. For installation of a Python, first we're going to jump over to the browser, and here we're going to type python.org. It will pop up this website. Download section, here we are going to select the operating system that we are going to install Python in it. So as I'm using Windows, so I'm going to choose Windows. Otherwise you can use Mac as well, or other operating system you want. So I'm going to click on Windows. It will take us to this page. So here I'm going to choose the version that I want for my operating system. So here you can see it is the first one, the Windows installer 64-bit. So I'm going to click on this. It will, so you can successfully install this, and I also installed this. So you can go through the simple installation process. So if this process didn't work in your operating system, you can go to the Microsoft Store and search for Python here. You can also download and install this directly by using this method as well. It will show you the multiple version of Python. So you can choose the 3.12 version. It is the latest version. You can install this, and after that, when you install this, you can check whether it is successfully installed on your operating system or not. For that, you can come in prompt, and here you can search for Python. So you can type Python space -- and here you can type the version version, and you can press enter, and it will show you the version of Python. So here in my case it shows 3.12.3. so this means that Python is successfully installed. And now after that, we are going to jump over to the IDE. An IDE is an integrated development environment. Is a software application that combines various tools for development software. It typically includes a code editor, debugger, and a build automation tool. The IDE provides a complete environment for programmers to write, test, and debug their code. It helps increase productivity by offering features like syntax highlighting, autocomplete, and real-time error checking. These features can significantly reduce the time it takes to write and debug code, making the development process more efficient. For Python, there are multiple options selection of IDE like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, and many more. So in this course, we are going to use the PyCharm, which is an integrated development environment, which is developed by JetBrains, and it's primarily known for its support for Python development. However, PyCharm's supports including code compilation, code inspection, debugging, refactoring, project navigation, various control and framework. And PyCharm offers a free community edition which includes most of the Python development features, as well as a paid version which is a professional edition, which adds additional features like database support and web development tools. Overall, PyCharm is a powerful and feature-rich IDE that can greatly enhance the Python development exercise. First, let's search PyCharm. So here you can see this is a link, and I'm going to put this link at the description. So you can easily click on that and jump over this website to download PyCharm. So we are going to download PyCharm from official website of jetbrain.com. Show you two versions. First one is a professional, which is a paid version, and the second one is a community, which is a free version. So we're going to download a free version. So I'm going to put the link of this website at the description. You can feel free to download this. So I'm going to download the Windows community version. So just click on here. It will give you the direct download link, and you can successfully download this. So installation process, just click on the download folder and the program files. Here you can find the PyCharm, and just double click on the PyCharm application, click on yes, and after that click on next, and after that it will open a window to choose install location. Here you can browse the location. If you want to select the specific full drive, otherwise I'm going to select the C drive for this. Just click on next, and here you need to just check the add bin folder to path, and just check this and leave the others as they are. Just click on next, click on install. Installation process complete. So as you can see, the installation process is completed, and our PyCharm application is successfully installed, and it will display a window with two options. First one is reboot now, and the second one is I want to manually reboot later. So I'm going to check that I want to manually reboot later and click on finish.